Welcome to our channel. If you want to remove shortcuts from your iPhone home screen, follow these step-by-step instructions to declutter your device and organize your apps. Step 1. Locate the shortcut icon on your iPhone home screen that you want to remove. Step 2. Press and hold the shortcut icon until a menu appears with options. Step 3. From the menu, tap Remove App to see additional options. Step 4. You will be presented with two choices: remove from home screen or delete app. Step 5. If you tap Remove from home screen, the shortcut will be removed from your home screen but will still be available in your app library. Step 6. If you tap Delete app, the shortcut will be completely removed from your iPhone and you will need to recreate it if needed later. Step 7. Confirm your choice by tapping the appropriate option. Step 8. If you accidentally removed a shortcut, you can recreate it using the Shortcuts app or find the app in your app library and add it back to your home screen. Step 9. Repeat this process for any additional shortcuts you want to remove from your home screen to keep your interface clean and organized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.